Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Avast antivirus. So let's get started. At first open Avast, then go to the menu on the top right corner and click on Settings. From here, move to the Protection tab and click on the Core Shells. Then over here, click on the toggle choice next to the heading. Now you can select the duration for which you want to off the antivirus for. With that done, a message will appear confirming whether you want to disable all the core shells. Click on OK and the antivirus will be completely disabled. Additionally, you can disable each core shells individually. Scroll down to Configure Shield Settings. Over here, you can see all the 4 core shells here and change them. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.